Welcome back to our series of Christmas projects. Today we will be coding our 3D Christmas tree. You remember we had designed a 3D Christmas tree, which I told you is going to have a lot of ornaments like the stars, like the bulbs that will blink and shine lights when they are clicked, right? So today we will be coding those ornaments so they can perform the functions we envisage for them. If you have not watched the part 1 video code for the normal Christmas tree, check the description below this video to get the detail of the other video series that has been shared previously. At the end of this project, this is how the project is going to look. Wow, so you can see here are the snows that are falling from the sky. Beautiful. See the snows? Good. Then this is the star. These are the bulb. We use the balloons to represent the bulbs, right? So this is how your project is going to look when you are done with it. So let's get into the class now, where we will begin our code. Ready? Let's do this. Okay, so what I will do now is to go and import my 3D Christmas tree. You know the location where yours is, so mine is in music and here it is. So I'll bring it in. Beautiful. So this is my 3D Christmas tree, right? I know you must have designed yours and decorate it with various ornaments. In case you have not done that, check below this video to see how you can design your 3D and decorate it with these different ornaments. Today we will be centering on building the code. So to build the code, we are going to be using a simple code that has a similar touch but with a little different for all of them. So first we are starting with the bulbs. In this case, the balloons are what we are using as the bulb, right? So we are starting with the bulb. So what do? We'll say when the green flag is clicked, so you drag your green flag, then we'll go to control and bring out forever loop. When the green flag is clicked, we want it forever repeating a particular activity, which is change. Go to your looks and pick change color effect. Change color effect to 25, right? So let's make it, change it to 5. Make it to change it to 5, so it will be changing color but not consistently. So let's play it and see. So this is the yellow ball, which is this. So let's play it and see. Can we see how it's changing the color? Can you see now? Now the balloon is looking small, so let me increase it here. Good. I want it to look a bit bigger. Good. So go back to code, play again. Can you see? We say change the color effect to what? To 5. Good. Then I'll drag this code. I'll drag this code and put it in the next one, which is the second balloon. Look at it here. And then I'll make it to change it to what? To 10. Change it to 10. Then I'll play that one too. Can you see? This is 5, this is 10. Then I'll pick again, add it to the third one, and make this one 15. Make it 15. Oh, sorry. I'm editing the first one, sorry. So let's click on this and make this one 15. Alright, so let's click on it too. Good. Every one of them is giving us what we want. Then the next one, which is the fourth one, I will also change it. I will also put the same code there and then make it what? 20 this time. That is the fourth one. I'll make it 20. Change the color effect to 20. Click. Can you see? It's also changing light. It's also changing light. Then the fifth one. Now because of this, I will minimize this stage so that it can be easier for me to walk through the environment. So this is the fifth one here. So I'll pick this, attach to the fifth one. Then I'll click on the fifth one and make it 25. Now 25 is the maximum. You can't do more than 25, right? Then for the remaining two, see what I will do. I will add this to this one. This the sixth ball. Oh, it has not been added. Let me repeat. I will add it to the sixth ball, right? Then I'll click on it. Look at it. Then I will add the weight block. Let it wait for 0.5 seconds. So I'll play it. You can see. Look at it. Good. Then next, which is the last ball, because we have 7 balls. So if you have more than 7 balls, just vary your code. Vary your code. This one I will put 1 second. Vary your code. Just be creative about it. Change some things and then see how it looks. Just make sure it's what you like that you are creating. Is that okay? Then this one I have made it 1 second. So let me click it. Good. So you can see it here. Good. Now let me also add something to this one. Let me zoom it so we can see it. Look at it here. Look at it. It's changing, but it's not too obvious. Let me increase the size so it can be properly seen. Let me also increase the size of this one. Go back. Can you see it will shine, wait, shine again? So let me increase the size of this one too. So in case your size is not as you want it, just go ahead and increase. But if it's looking as big as you like, why not? Just let it be that way. Then the last one I want to increase is the red color size. Good. So these three are having different code, right? They have different code. So you can see this is 25. See how fast it's doing. This one wait for every 1 minute before it change. This one is every 1 second before it change. So let me add something here. I want to add something to the white balloon. Okay, so I want to add something to the white balloon, and that is the motion. I want to add rotation. I want it to rotate every 0.1 second, there to roll. So let's zoom it and see what happens. Can you see? Can you see how it's rotating? Good. I'll do the same for this one. Do the same. This one rotates anti-clockwise. This one is rotating clockwise, this one anti-clockwise. So let me zoom it so you can see it boldly. Can you see? Look at it. Can you see it? Good. Look at it. So the rotation is so small that you may not see it well. Right, look at it. It's rolling gradually. Beautiful. So I like it this way. Then the next thing we are going to be coding is the stars. The next thing we are going to be coding is the stars, right? So the star is going to be carrying similar code with this, except that it will not have this rotation, right? So let me drag this and add to the star. Good. Then I'll remove this and make this 0.5. So this is a star I just added now. Can you see? It started changing. Can you see it now? Then let me code these ones too. These three. Now for these three, I don't want to use color effects. I'm going to do something different with them. So let's go. I will say when the green flag is clicked, right, forever, I'll go to looks and bring out change color, but I will change it to what? To brightness. I will change it to brightness. Let me make it 5. Then wait 0.5 seconds. Or let me use ghost effect. The ghost effect means how sharp and dim is showing. You get how sharp and dim. So it's going to return the same color, but we'll see how sharp and dim is going. So let's play it and see. Stop and play. Can you see? Can you see? Oh, it has been. This is not what I want, please. So let's go back and undo the ghost effect. Okay, so let me make it 1 and see the bright what happens. Remember, we are dealing with this 4, this, and this. Okay, so let me add the color effect to it. Duplicate, then let me change it to color and see what it gives me. Okay, can you see something? Let me zoom it. So watch this 1 2 3 4. Can you see? Can you see? There are changes, even though it's very gradual, very, very gradual. You need to take note of it before you can see it well. Okay, so we'll leave it like this. So just be creative about yours. Let me swap over the color and brightness. So the color will change before the brightness. So change color by 10 and change brightness by 2. So can you see? Are you seeing what is going on? Good. So we have been able to code all the. Let me zoom it and play it. So can you see? We have been able to code all the ornaments. The stars are shining, the bulbs are shining, right? I want this to rotate. Let me. This white bulb is not rotating as I want. Then which other one? This one. Let me test and see again. See, this one is rolling. This is what I want for this. I think maybe it's the timing of the rolling that is. This is what I want. Okay, so it's the timing. The timing, I put 1 second here. So let me put 0.1. 0.1 and 0.1. Good. So it's the timing. Please take note of it. Is the timing. So can you see? Both of them are rolling. So if I want to make one faster, I can remove the time completely. Let me remove the time completely from the whites. From the white. And let's see Good. Can you see? It's faster now. Why this one is slow? So let's leave it this way. The ornament, which include the stars and the bulb, are all green. The next thing we are going to do is to code the snow so they can be falling down, 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 down. Now I will pause this video here, and then in our next class we will be seeing the code for the snow. So check the description below this video if you have done your project to this extent, to see the code for how to make a snow to fall down. So see you in the next class.